Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm back-ish, or trying to get back into making videos. I've been moving and I haven't been feeling like making videos, but I want to share you a little coaster that I made. It's a poppy flower and I love it. I think it's a perfect project to do when you want to make something fast, and it's such a cute decoration for your home. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to make this cute little poppy flower coaster. So yeah, let's get started. So here are my puppies and I think they're super cute, and I love the color combo with those, and they're very easy to make. I think one takes about 20 minutes to make. And let me show you what yarn I used. I'm using loops and threads cotton yarn, and this is medium. You can use whatever DK worsted weight yarn. I'm also using 5mm hook, and you need scissors and a darning needle, and the coaster measures about 4.5 inches, so it's a nice size for a coaster. So let's get started. Grab your black yarn. So let's make a slip knot. Oops. Go under here and grab the yarn and chain 4. The black yarn is really hard to see, I'm sorry. And we're gonna make a slip stitch into the first chain, like that, and chain 2. So first round into the little circle here we created, make 8 half double crochets. 1, 2, crochet over the tail because we can use the tail to close the little circle here. When you're done your 8 half double crochets, then slip stitch into the first stitch, and this is your first round. Now chain 2 and we start our second round. Now into every stitch make half double crochet increase, so 2 half double crochets into each stitch. And my first stitch is where the chain is coming out from, so 1, make 1 more and do that into every stitch. And again slip stitch into the first stitch, and now we have 16 stitches like that. You can cut the yarn, and you can use the tail to close up the circle, and grab your red color and you can go in whatever stitch, pull up a loop or pull the yarn through, tie a knot, pull the loop up and chain 2. Now our next round we will do increase into every second stitch. So into the first stitch make 1 half double crochet, and next one make 2 half double crochets. again 1/2 double crochet and 2, and keep doing that all around. Every second stitch is our increase. End of the round, slip stitch into the first stitch, and now we have 24 stitches. So our fourth round, slip stitch into the next stitch, next stitch here, make a double crochet, next 3 stitches, make double crochet increases, 2 stitches into 1 stitch, 1, 2, and make it 2 more stitches. Increase in the next stitch here, yeah, 3 stitches, the increases. Next one, make a double crochet, just 1, and next one, slip stitch, and this is our one of the petals, and we going to repeat that. 1 double crochet, next 3 stitches, double crochet increase, 1, and slip stitch. So let's do one more time. First stitch here, make a double crochet, next 3 stitches, increase, double crochet increase, 1, see 2 double crochets into the 3 stitches, 1 double crochet in here, slip stitch into the next one, and that's our second petal. And let's do that 2 more times, and then I'll meet you back at the beginning. At the beginning, or we have the slip stitch here, make 1 double crochet into the slip stitch here, and then this is our slip stitch what we did in the beginning, and make a slip stitch in here. Like that. And this is our 1, 2, 3, 4th round. Now we're gonna do our 5th and the last round. Into every stitch here now, we're gonna make a double crochet increase, and when we get to the slip stitch, we're gonna slip stitch here. So our first stitch is here, and just into each stitch make 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and do that around this petal, and I'll meet you back when I get to the end of the first petal. Just increases into every stitch. And here we have the slip stitch, and just slip stitch into the slip stitch here, and our next petal, again into every stitch make double crochet increase. So again, I'm end of the second petal, slip stitch into the slip stitch here, and do the same thing the next 2 petals here, and then I'll meet you back when we are back at the beginning. And when you're back in the beginning here, you can just find a slip stitch here, or you can actually, whatever You can slip stitch even in the middle here, it doesn't matter. Just make a slip stitch like that. Cut your yarn, pull the yarn through, and now you can hide the ends and your puppy is ready. And it is so beautiful. I love this a lot. It is such a simple coaster to make, and this took me less than 20 minutes to make, and I'm talking here with you too. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting me. See you in the next video. Bye.